Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine thank you, and you?
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Are you married or single?
I'm single.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Do you have sibling?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Do you live with your parents?
No. I live alone. I lived with my parents last year, but I decided to move out.
Does she work at a hospital?
Yes, she does. She is a surgeon.
Do you enjoy yoga?
No, I don't. But I heard it is very healthy for you. Maybe I should try.
Do the cookies taste good?
Yes. They are so good.
Do you want one?
Yes, please.
Does the shirt fit you?
Actually, it is a little small. Do you have a bigger size?
Let me check in the back. Do you have siblings?
Yes. I have one sister and one brother. Do you have any?
Nope. I am an only child. Do you play basketball on the weekends?
No, I play football on the weekends.
Does she study at the coffee shop with your friends?
Yes, she does.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Do we need anything from the store?
No, we don't need anything.
Do they work here?
Yes, they work here.
Does it cost a lot of money?
No, it doesn't cost much.
Does that man work with you?
Yes, he works with me. He's a very good man.
Do you swim?
Yes, I do.
Does he plan to travel next year?
Yes, he wants to travel with me.
Do you think it will rain tomorrow?
It will rain tomorrow, because the sky is cloudy today.
Does your dog live outside or in the house?
My dog lives in the house.
Does your sister always talk so much on the phone?
No, my sister doesn't like to talk very much.
Do you want to go to the party?
Yes, but I went to the party last night.
Don't you ever visit your parents?
I used to visit my parents, but not too soon.
Does John speak French?
No, John doesn't speak French.
Does she like chocolate?
Yes, she likes chocolates and eats a lot.
Do you come here often?
I come here whenever I feel bad.
Don't you think he is great?
I was going to say that. He's a great man.
Does she play baseball?
No, she likes to play tennis.
Do you like pizza?
Yeah, I like pizza.
Does she live in New York?
No, she lives in Los Angeles.
Did you lock the front door?
Yes, I locked that.
Do they want a drink?
Ask them yourself.
Do you cook this food yourself?
Yes, I made it myself.
Does she eat meat?
No, she didn't eat meat at all.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, I use a computer.
Do you have a shower every day?
Yes, I have shower every day.
Do they study after class?
No, they are very lazy.
Do you sleep a lot?
No, I sleep only 8 hours a day.
Do you want to be a doctor in the future?
No, I won't be a teacher in the future.
Do you want to go with me?
Yes, I'll go with you, but where do you want to go?
We will go to the cinema together and enjoy.
Oh, right, it will be very lovely.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
You know how to cook.
Yes, I know, my mother taught me.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 2 languages.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
What is your job?
I work at Amazon.
Are you happy with your job?
Yes, I'm happy with my job.
Is your income good?
Yes, very good.
Have you tried Chinese food yet?
We ate with my sister once.
Do you like the taste of Chinese food?
No, I didn't like it very much, but my sister liked it.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like to swim, but I can't.
How many foreign trips have you had?
I think I've had 3 or 4 trips.
You don't want to get married.
Not yet, but I want to get married.
Do you have a close friend?
Yes, I have a close friend.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What time do you eat your breakfast?
I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock.
You'll cook your own lunch.
No, I get lunch from outside because I'm busy.
What time do you sleep?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Where do you live?
I live downtown.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Where are you going on vacation?
I want to go to Canada.
Where did you go on vacation last year?
I went to Germany last year.
Are you going on vacation alone?
No, I'm going with my family.
You went with the family last year.
No, I went with my sister last year.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.